In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your flag design. To save your finished design, simply click the Save Design button found on the bottom right here. You'll be prompted to name your design and add any tags. I'm going to name mine Mad Bears Gym and click Save. After clicking Save, you will receive a warning letting you know that clearing your cookies or cache will remove any saved designs. Keep that in mind if you're ever clearing those out. To continue forward, click OK. These saved designs will be stored under the My Saved Designs tab, which is right here. Obviously, after saving your design, they pop up into that tab right away where you could see them. But if you ever need to find them again in the future, simply click on this tab right here. As you can see, the flag design that we just saved is now available. If you ever want to delete any of your saved designs, click on the X below the design right here. You'll get an "Are you sure?" message just to make sure you're doing what you want and you're actually deleting the flag that you want to delete. I'm going to keep it here and select No. Keep in mind that you will not be able to use your saved designs on a flag that is not the same size or finish. For example, I wouldn't be able to use it on a fringe flag. That being said, this is a very useful feature for multiple reasons. Some examples would be if you want to start over and not lose your work, or if you want to purchase the same flag again in the future. For more tips, continue on to the next tutorial.